Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with another remedy. That's the salt. Sprinkle salt around your house. You can wake up to a renewed sense of purpose and possibilities in life. Salt breaks any charm around the house, negativity, cleanses yourself, bad luck, breaks anything that causes evil at home, paves the way for good things to happen in your life. You get my point? So salt is very important in our lives. Get salt, put it in a glass or in a container, add rainwater. In case you have rainwater, add rainwater, but rainwater is very important to add because it works like magic. If you don't have rainwater, use our normal drinking water or our normal water. Get 2 spoons of salt, add, put it in a glass, add drinking water or add rainwater. In case you have rainwater, you add drinking water, you add. So what you do, stir it like for 30 minutes, then sprinkle around the house. When you're sprinkling around the house, you're praying. You're praying, you're chasing away bad harms, you're chasing away evil, you're chasing away bad luck, you're inviting in success in your life, you're inviting in success around your house, you're inviting in abundance, you're inviting in prosperity, you're inviting in money, you're inviting in business deals, good business deals, you're inviting in contracts, you're inviting in good health. So just keep on sprinkling that salt, sprinkling salt water around the house, and trust me, you have to believe. You're supposed to have faith whenever you're sprinkling it, and whenever you're moving around the house, in the bedroom, the sitting room, the kitchen, you just keep on praying and sprinkling that water around the house. So you move in all corners of the house. You move in all corners of the house. Whenever you're moving in all corners of the house, just keep on praying. In case like you have a child who is sick, pray. In case you have a daughter or a son who is going to school, who is going to do his exam, who is going to do her exams, just keep on praying. In case you're jobless, just keep on spraying around the house. You're inviting in job opportunities in your house. And when you're inviting job opportunities, I mean you're inviting in money in your house. And when you're inviting in money in your house, meaning you're really getting a job. In case you have patients in the house, just keep on praying for them. In case your relationship is not working out very well, just keep on praying for it. So just pray for anything you just want in your life. Just pray for anything, because the good life starts with home. Good relationship at home, good marriage at home, have money at home, abundance at home, prosperity at home. So that's why you have to use that salt to wake up in a miracle blessings. So after that, actually you can do that like twice a week, once a month, or you can do it every day the way you want it. You can do it every day. Then after that, get that very water, you go to the bathroom. You go to the bathroom after showering with your sponge, soap, everything. That should be the last water you're using. Should be the last water you're using, and you shower. Showering, and whenever you're showering it, and you have to pray also. You have to manifest whatever you want to manifest, because you're showering, you're going to work, or you're going to your business. You pray. I'm going to my business. I want my doors of money to overflow. I want my customers to overflow in this business. I want money. I want customers. I want money. I want a good life. I want my business to expand. You want everything. So just keep on manifesting, or just keep on praying. After that, go to work. Go to work, and trust me, you see a lot of money coming. You see a lot of customers coming. You see everything working out for what you always wished for, or for what you always wanted. And I told you, whenever you're doing these remedies or using these natural remedies, you are supposed to have faith. You're believing. Like whatever you're doing, it's working. Faith, believe, manifest, and pray. Move hand in hand. If you doubt yourself and you're doubting whatever you're doing, trust me, you're going to use all these remedies and it's not going to work for you because you're not believing and you're not having faith and you're not doing anything. So just keep on manifesting. Just keep on having faith in whatever you're doing, because whenever you have faith and whenever you're manifesting, things are going to work for you abundantly. So thank you so much for watching. Please watch my next video and come back in the comment section. Try it out before you come back in the comment section. First try it out before you come and comment. Don't comment before trying it out. So try out before you comment. Please share my video, like, comment, and give it a like. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.